Hey, Coach BJ here. I want to take a quick minute to show you how to step into the bands. It sounds simple, but it's something that's often confusing. So we're going to go through a couple different setups with the band. Anytime we're doing a row, so a bent over row, either with both arms or a single arm, you're going to step in the middle of the band. So 1 foot in, and get a wider stance. You can relax the toes, get a little slack here in the middle, and then you're going to reach down, grab both bands, and go into your row from there. So you can do either a single arm or double arm from this position. But again, I like to step in the middle. Now, if you're doing something like a hammer curl, we want a narrower stance, again, in the middle of the band. There you can come up and go straight into a curl from there. Same thing if you wanted to go palms up with your curl. So for most things, you're stepping inside of the band. Now, push-ups, we went over this in separate videos, but you're going to put this on almost like a bath towel. So you're going to exit or make an 8. Your hands go through with your thumbs on the bottom, and then you're just going to reach, put it on across the back, and then we're doing push-ups in that position. So anything that's going to be down on one knee, let's say a shoulder press or a tricep extension, you're going to put a knee inside so that it pins the band down, arm comes in, and then we're going to press from here against the band, or you can run it behind you and go into either a single arm tricep extension or double arm where we're coming up in this position here. So pretty simple, but it makes a big difference in how you execute the exercise. So I hope that helps.